Mailbox providers like Google and Microsoft send you a daily DMARC aggregate report. Each one summarizes every message that used your domain and the sources behind them. Open one and it is a table. Each row is a sending source, its IP address, its SPF result, its DKIM result, the disposition the receiver applied, and how many messages it sent. Here's the catch. A check can pass and still fail DMARC. SPF and DKIM must not only pass, they must be aligned. The domain they verify has to match the domain in your from line. Raw reports arrive as XML that is painful to read by hand. PhishFence ingests them for you, then charts your daily pass and fail trend with the headline numbers above it. It also lists every source sending as you, grouped by provider with the volume and pass rate for each. That is how you spot a service you forgot was sending on your behalf. Most failures are not attacks. PhishFence sorts your failing sources into three: forwarded mail, your own sender whose SPF or DKIM needs aligning, and senders it does not recognize. So act on the real signal. Fix or allow list your own senders. Set forwarded mail aside and chase the unrecognized ones. Then, once your reports stay clean, tighten your policy from none to quarantine to reject. Start free at phishfence.io.